Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Durango GT. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi, and we also have a 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in granite. It looks fantastic. You do have the Dodge badging up front with your projector style headlights right there and your fog lights just down there. Right over here we do have our Bridgestone brand tires with 20-inch rims. They look fantastic. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals on them, and coming all the way around to the back you have the GT badging, the Dodge, the Durango all-wheel drive, and you also got your backup camera right there. Now as long as it's unlocked, we just gotta press the button and it opens up for us. Looks great back here. Very soft as well, keeping things nice and safe. You can fold these seats forward just by pulling this guy here and folding them forward just like that. Then you also have some additional storage just underneath there if you did ever need it, as well as some storage in here and an emergency flashlight right there. We got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now, if it is locked, you do also have your proximity keyless entry, so if you have your key on you, put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. You also got the button there if you did want to use that. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here, as well as you have some chrome accenting on the handle here, and leather here to put your arm on. Very comfortable. You got some storage down here with a water bottle holder, as well as your seat memory right there. And it is a very nice interior. It looks great. It is leather as well, nice and comfortable. You also got the controls of your seat, so your lumbar support right here, and your seat backward and forward, as well as the tilt right there. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our fog lights if you press that in, and our in-cabin light control there. This guy here is also our turning signals and windshield wipers. Let's start her up here. So key is in the cup holder, put your foot on the brake, press the button, it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, only 14,000, not very many at all. You can also see the vehicle info, you got your fuel economy, trip A, you also have your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and your speedometer there. Now that is all controlled from your steering wheel right here with your call out, your voice recognition, your hang up for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options. You got some paddle shifters here and here. They're very fun to use. Then over here you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab here if you do have something hooked up through your disc, your aux cord, your USB, or if you also have your Bluetooth, SD card slot, or your AV plugins, as well as your HDMIs. Then you have your controls over your heated seat and your vented seats, and your backup camera and your headrest fold. You got your Uconnect apps there, your climate control right here. It is dual climate system for you and your passenger. Then you also have your navigation. If you hit view map, you can see where we are in Rec Place. You also have your phone options right there if you do have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Now down here we do have our all sorts of different options. We have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and your browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power, off, auto. Then you have your defrosts. Over here you have your park assist, eco, sport mode, and you also have your traction control. And then down here we do have our aux cord plug-in, USB, and an SD card slot. You got your gear shift right here, as well as if you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera. You got your cup holders here, you have a little bit of storage here, and you also have your all-wheel drive options right there. Then if you go into the center, you do have your armrest with, inside you do have a Blu-ray player. You have some storage in here. Looks great. Then you do also have a locking glove box right here with your owner's manual inside of it. Always nice to have. You have the controls over your sunroof, as well as your universal garage door opener here, and a sunglass holder right there. And your sunroof looks great. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. The control over your windows. Handle here. Very nice leather here to put your arm on. And some storage down here with the water bottle holder. It does seat 5 people altogether. Very comfortable back here is the leather. You can pull this down. You got some armrests there, as well as they have their climate control right back here. And they have dual screens to watch movies or whatever they might want to. They also have AV plugins there, as well as HDMIs. And then you also have your heated seats just down there with some USB plugins and a plug-in if you want to hook up a game system or something. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Dodge Durango GT. If you want to come and take a closer look at it or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.